Christopher Luxon said it was a huge privilege to wake up Sunday as New Zealand's incoming Prime Minister as he eyed talks to form a new coalition government. Voters ended the 6-year reign of the centre-left Labour government on Saturday as Luxon's Conservative National Party won enough seats to govern in a coalition with Liberal Party ACT. Labour leader Chris Hipkins, who replaced Jacinda Ardern as Prime Minister in January, conceded defeat after his party lost nearly half their seats from the previous election in 2020. Luxon fronted the media on Sunday wearing an All Blacks jersey after watching coverage of New Zealand's victory over Ireland at the Rugby World Cup in France, which kicked off at 8 a.m. local time. "It's a wonderful start to the day when you've got a national government, and you've got the All Blacks winning again," he told journalists. Luxon, who prides himself on needing only a few hours of sleep each night, said he had celebrated with family and supporters. The 53-year-old former airline executive, who entered politics in 2019, can only take over as Prime Minister after the final election results are declared on November 3.